Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off YouTube's autoplay feature. This is necessary as it prevents videos from automatically playing after the current one ends, giving you more control over your viewing experience. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open YouTube. Normally, you can open your YouTube app or visit youtube.com on your browser. And after then, you have to play a video. I'm playing this video. While watching the video, look for the autoplay switch at the bottom of the video player. So this is the switch. Click on it to turn it off. And you can also do the same thing. That's all about today's video. Turning off autoplay allows you to have more control over your viewing habits. If this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.